Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today something really different. I picked up this KickAss 600 watt electric hot plate from Marketplace for $50, a bargain. I think the retail price for this is $119.95 on the website. And we are going to try to cook some Scotch fillet steaks. I've never been camping in my life, but I like to consider myself a micro prepper. So we're going to cook these steaks with the KickAss hot plate. We're going to power it from this battery box. It has a 60 amp hour lithium iron phosphate King's battery, and it's in a June battery box, and there's a 600 watt June inverter. I know that this device does surge to 750. I'm hoping that the inverter can handle that. Otherwise, we'll try something else. This is the back of the unit, rated power 600 watts, temperature range 36.5 to 240 degrees. So this is not a 12 volt appliance. It needs them in its AC. But really cool. You got this really nice hot plate, ceramic. I don't know. Very good condition. I was really pleased that the seller actually listed it for 70, but I bargained a little bit. I got it for 50. So really simple. Just plug it in like that. Okay. The case is awesome. And we've got an AC cord, and we simply plug one end to the inverter, and one end this side. Yeah, this side. All right. And as you can see, they're attempting the run. It fixed. The red light's flashing. Hold on. Let's try again. Okay, can't handle the 240, I think. Yeah, it's overloading. See if I can turn it down to 200. No, I can't do it quick enough. Might get another power station. So I put the EcoFlow River 3 Max Plus here. It's called the Max Plus because I have the EB600 battery there as well. That has 512 watt hours of capacity, and I think it's about 850 watt hours in total. But 98%, so let's see what happens. It is rated for 600 watts, but it does have X boost, so hopefully it should kick it on. Alright, it's drawing 31 watts. I'll put it all the way to 240 degrees. I'll move over here so you can see it. There we go. It's surging. 577, 574, 584. And here we go here. So it's heating up. I might quickly clean the hot plate. Oh, we're going to I short at 685, 664. So it is going up, it is coping, so that's really good. I'll give the hot plate a bit of a wipe. Okay, I put it down to 200. It is quite warm now. Bit of oil. I put the River 3 Max Plus on the ground because I didn't want to get all the oil flicking up on it. It's working. Right, let's put out. Didn't that go on? What the? Put it to 200. Pepper. Drawing 610 watts now. I'll zoom you in on the steaks. Look at that. Okay, I'll leave you in when it gets a bit more interesting when I flip it around. Okay, it's overloaded a few times, even on 190 degrees. So yeah, I don't think the River 3 Max Plus really can cope with this continuous 600 watts. We'll see if it goes one more time, otherwise I'll move up to my Delta 2. It does smell good though. You probably could do it in a pinch, like keep switching it on, but it's not ideal. As you can see, even at 190 degrees, it's going over the rated capacity of 600 watts continuous. So it's going to overload in a minute. We'll give it one more go. Okay, I actually want my food to get cooked, so I've gone to the Delta 2, which has an 1800 watt inverter, so this should have no problems doing it. As you can see, the River 3 Plus down to 85% after the 10 or so minutes. We're at 97%, yeah. And I've turned it up all the way, and hopefully we should get it cooking now. And it's cooked. Well done, Allegra. You want to hold the plate and I'll put it on there? Looks like the steaks are more boiled than... There's a bit of moisture in them, that's why.
Chicken time.
Yeah, steak time. Right, come on. Alright, bring me inside of Mummy. And we're down to 90%, so it would have been another 5% I think if I used this from the very start. Yeah, and then we just wait for this to cool, we clean it up, and it's all done. So you basically need about 1,000 watt inverter to run this with some good headroom. So you can't use the River 3. You could in a pinch, you've got to keep turning it on because it's going to keep overloading. But yeah, Delta 2 Max or any other power station that is rated for 1,000 watt inverter gives you a bit of headroom, because it does need just over 600 watts continuous, and at startup it uses about 750. There you go. This is the KickAss 600 watt electric barbecue hot plate.